Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As in the previous video we learned that what is loop engineering and how loop engineering works. So in today's lecture we will learn that how you can create a loop in your VS Code using OpenCode or Plot Code. So let's get started. So first of all you will go at the Google Chrome and search for ChatGPT. You will go to ChatGPT and first of all you will tell him that act as a senior web developer and you will enter it. And after that you will say that I'm creating a loop with the help of OpenCode. I'm using OpenCode. You can also use Cloud Code with the help of OpenCode for example Facebook post generator. So for that purpose give me a ready to go generated prompt. So now it will give you a prompt and we'll see that what it gives us. So it had created a prompt that Facebook post generator OpenCode Loop. You are an expert Facebook content strategist, copywriter, social media growth specialist, and your job is to create high quality, engaging, publish ready post Facebook. So now it has created us the prompt. Now we'll copy this prompt. We'll copy this and we'll go back to VS Code, and here in VS Code you can see that I have first created these loops for landing pages, for portfolios. Now I'll open the terminal using this loop project. Before opening this you have to create a file in your drive with the name of loop project like I've created here, and you will save all of these files in this loop project. So I'll open this OpenCode. Okay, so now I'll give the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Okay, and I will also write that read carefully and after that ask few questions before starting the project, and we will enter it. So this was our prompt that we copied from ChatGPT. Okay, so it says that understood, I read all the files. It is now asking that topic, what is the exact topic, idea, project or product for this Facebook post. Type your topic here. Okay, we'll type it here. Okay, first of all we'll type the topic here. For example, I want to create a post on give a topic for loop engineering. Then you'll see how it creates it. Okay, who is the target audience for this post? So we'll give for the developers and tech. Okay, so now you can see that it has given me the post, and now we'll say that create me a pic. or an image for this. I hope it will create me the image. It is working on that. Okay, so it's still working on it, but I can see the image here and it has been created. So now we'll see that how did it created our post. So you can see it's a very simple post because I've used a very Lure model, which is the big pickle of the OpenCode Zen. It's a free model. So if you want to create a higher quality image, so you have to first change the model for it, like slash agents, switch agents, or you can, okay, you will just simply go to the models. Here's the model. So you can first choose the key, or the DeepSeek is also a good model. Nanomenon is also a good model, and I think there will be also Cloudfeather. So if it's available, it's a very great model. I'll search here. Fable. Yes, Fable is also available. So if you want to create high level pictures, so you have to give it that these things should be mentioned in my post. So it will create you your desired post. This was only a sample. So this was today's video. I hope you learned that how you can create loop your VS Code by the help of OpenCode or Cloud Code. If you learned something new, don't forget to comment down below and follow my all of social media accounts and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.